This is the tool set I started mobile mechanicking with about 15 years ago. Actually, my dad got the socket set for me. It's a Craftsman set. It's got, you know, SAE and metric. It's a pretty good set. I've thrown some little extras in there, some little sneaky stuff. It's quarter drive and 3/8. And of course, got an extension in there, and breaker bar, and universal adapter. Set goes from 3/16 or 4mm all the way up to 7/8, 19mm. Got 6-point, 12-point star. Anyone looking at the part numbers? Show you some part numbers. Alright, just some random guy in a random driveway.